All right, from water main breaks to an important decision regarding the Hawaii State Supreme Court, those are some of the topics this morning on CivilBeat.com. And joining us over Skype is CivilBeat.com reporter Chad Blair. Good morning, Chad.
Good morning, Kenny. How are you doing today?
Very good, thank you. Well, Chad, let's talk about one of the stories that's in Civil Beat this morning. They examined what's going on with all those water line breaks. We experienced that. If you live here, you know it's a reality. What can be done about it, and can you actually blame city officials for this problem, or is that not the case?
Well, you know, if you took all the sewer lines that we have here on Oahu, they would stretch from here to San Francisco. There's about 2,100 miles of that, and a lot of it is 100 years old. So I think the city officials and the water department have a point when they say that we tend to take our water for granted. The problem is those pipes do leak, and repair crews have to get there and tear up the road, and of course that forces us to sit in traffic jams all the time.
Yeah, certainly, that's a good point. Another story that you guys are working on that appears this morning, we're talking about the Senate expecting to vote on a new Hawaii Supreme Court justice by the name of Richard Pollack. Is he expected to fly or to be passed with flying colors this week in the Senate?
Well, the indications are good so far. As you know, anything can turn up in the legislature and hold up a nomination. But Richard Pollack, by wide acclaim, is a brilliant jurist. He's described as passionate and fair, and he strongly supports the Hawaii Constitution, which actually has greater personal protections, privacy protections, as compared to the federal Constitution. So, barring any breaking development in his background, it looks like Richard Pollack will be confirmed either Thursday or Friday. He is Governor Abercrombie's nominee to the High Court.
And then does that mean there's an opening at the circuit court level as well?
That's correct. There's a hearing tomorrow for Peter Cahill. He's been nominated to the Maui Circuit Court, but there'll be a different nomination. At some point, Governor Abercrombie will have to fill that puka as well, as they say. All
right, Chad Blair, thank you so much for those stories. You can find the rest of those stories on CivilBeat.com. Thank you so much, Chad. We'll be right back. It is 6:39. Thanks for watching KITV4 News this morning.